This video of the month shows how EV's Optis Infinity IVC and ValveVA enabled an operator to plan for the reactivation of their well after a prolonged shut-in period through diagnosing the cause of a safety valve that would not set. After facing numerous wellbore challenges, a well in the North Sea faced a period of non-production. Following the operator's most recent intervention aimed at restoring production to the well, multiple unsuccessful attempts were made to set an insert safety valve. Without a functional safety valve, the well had to be plugged and production suspended. With production losses mounting and in an attempt to avoid a costly workover, the operator deployed EV's Optis Infinity IVC to get an in-depth understanding of why the valve would not set. The Optis Infinity IVC combines EV's patented 360-degree camera with multi-finger caliper technology in a single tool string, enabling a detailed analysis of the landing nipple profile through the fusion of 3D measurements and high-precision images. The detailed images from the Optis Infinity camera and data from the multi-finger caliper provided a clear view of the landing nipple profile, confirming that the setting profile and areas of interest were in good condition. Critically, the caliper identified and quantified a restriction at 739 feet, just below the setting profile, revealing that the safety valve was not able to set because the bottom of the valve setting tool was impacting the restriction, preventing the assembly from reaching the required depth and failing to engage in the setting profile. Armed with this critical information, the operator was able to shorten the assembly to avoid the restriction and successfully set the safety valve in place. With the safety valve installed, the operator was now able to prepare for a rig-based coiled tubing intervention to restore production to the well. Contact your local EV representative to find out more.